Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use VPN on Netflix. The content that you can see on your Netflix screen varies from countries to countries, which might also mean that the movies and TV shows that you can watch on Netflix might be limited by the country you are in. However, if you would like to trick Netflix into thinking that you reside in a different state or a region, then you can use the virtual private network, which is also known as VPN. There are lots of VPNs available throughout the internet. You can go ahead and download any VPN that you'd like. I would recommend you to download this web browser, which is known as Opera GX browser, which comes with an inbuilt VPN service, which you can connect to these certain virtual locations and start streaming your Netflix. If you don't have the application installed, first go to a web browser and type in GX browser download. From the search result, click on this link right here that says Opera GX Gaming Browser /Opera. This will take you to www.opera.com/gx. Simply click on the download link available in the display and download the application first and download the file and install it on your device. Once you have it, simply open up. At the top left corner, you'll be able to see a little button that says VPN. Click it on and make sure that your VPN is connected. If it is disconnected, enable this button right here. Under virtual locations, select the location to where you'd like to get connected. If you choose the optimal location, and the nearest and the most possible location will be connected to your browser. After you're done choosing your option, simply go ahead and type in netflix.com into the search box. In the same browser, log into your Netflix account like you normally do. Click on sign in. After entering the credentials, open up your profile. And you'll be able to see your Netflix homepage a little bit different from your regular homepage before connecting it to a VPN. That way you'll be able to use a VPN on Netflix, which gives you access to watch thousands of new movies and TV shows regardless of which country you are in. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.